The news lied to us. News lied to us. Be a great day to have my boots on.
There's a B-train stuck and blocking Rickshore. Getting out of there.
Where are you going?
You, where are you?
Directly in front of you on this car.
I can't get traction. My truck is slid. You too?
Put it in park, I'm gonna have to adjust. I'm gonna let off the pedal or the winch line a little bit and see if it slides. Hopefully it doesn't, because I'm gonna have to pull a little more forward to keep winching. Okay. Back in drive or park. I'm pretty sure you're all the way out. How you want to pay for this day? Cash or card? What do you have for? Yeah, if you're not close, then we probably won't. Yeah. So I can run card and then I'll get you a receipt, and usually they'll reimburse you as long as you got roadside. Oh. Okay. Yeah, you'll be all set. Let me run this real quick and get you unhooked.
I think she's got a bit of suction on her. Got suction on it, it's starting to roll the truck. I've got the truck sitting still if you haven't noticed, but the truck is tipping, so.
That's what I was running to over there too.
So I'm gonna have to do what I don't want to do.
We're just gonna want some things out of it, but they're gonna bring the title in.
Yeah, well they can wait.
Yeah. Well, they're gone now. I told them this way. Give us a good hour or so.
Yeah, they're in too far. We've got suction built up at this point. Huh? It's an Envoy. As long as the front tires aren't flat, it should be in two-wheel drive. You even got the key for it? Where's the key? Didn't grab it? Didn't ask for it? What?
It's not in there.
Rookie mistake.
Hopefully it's still in there.
Grab that line. Yeah. I really don't want to do this, so we're both pulling off the same wheel, but I will signal you when I want you to pull in. Go. What in the hell is going on here? Oh, it's gonna be a long fucking winter. I want my truck back. Free spool me. Let's let it drain for a minute. Oh, I forgot my hat.
It's all tied off.
Is it?
Yeah, it had power still, surprisingly.
Do you have the keys now?
No.
Huh?
Uh-uh.
Then how did it have power?
Huh?
How did it have power?
I don't know, but it did.
Alright, get your stuff cleaned up.
And here you want.
Woo! Saved it. Lift up. There you go. Keep going. One more. One more. That's good. That's an automatic. Good, pull forward.
Check out that front bumper.
Huh?
See that front bumper?
Go ahead and lift. Lift, but tilt. Yeah. Go ahead and pull forward. Get yourself lined up. From previous damage.
Well, I know.